Hello, everybody. My name is Elizabeth, and welcome to Screencast-O-Matic review. Just wanted to bring you guys this great online marketing video screen capturing um, review that I use whenever I need to record my screen. So without further ado, hope everybody's doing well. Let's jump right in and see how Screencast-O-Matic works. Okay, all right. So I just want you guys to see here that Screencast-O-Matic, if you go, you can go to screencast-o-matic.com. So that's screencast dash the letter O dash Matic. That's Matic. And basically, let's take a look at that right now. Okay, so again, this is screencast-o-matic.com. So make sure when you go to this website, you put in screencast dash o dash matic and then .com, and it takes you to this screen right here. As you can see, let me just point out that you can record your screen for free. However, you're just limited to 15 minutes. Okay, so if you just need to make short videos, this would be perfect, and it's free. All right, so basically what happens is when you click record for free, the screen is going to come up, and then you can just easily record your screen with our free screen recorder. You can capture any area of your screen for quick recordings with the option to add audio narration. You see me because I've added additional camera here. You have that option which shows it to you right here. So this option you use to record your screen and yourself. This option is just yourself, webcam. It's kind of explanatory here. And then this option is just for your screen. Okay. All right. So this is a really cool software to use. You do need to launch the free recorder. I already have it downloaded, so you can see that. You see, yep. So I already have that recorded. So basically, once you download it, you get a little screen that says to download this, and then you download it. And once you do that, basically, this is what it's going to look like. All right. So I'm recording this video for you guys, and it says the recorder is recording. All right. So we'll minimize that. Okay, but that's what the screen looks like, and it's really great. Now, if you're wanting to, after you record your video and you want to edit it, then you will need to take a look over at the pricing here and see exactly what would help you. Okay, you can get the deluxe. It's for $1.65 per month, and that's billed yearly. Or you can get the premier. And as you can see the differences here, the deluxe, you can, so easy video record editor. You don't have to use this, depending on what you're trying to accomplish. You don't have to use this. Here with the deluxe, you can record the computer audio with the Windows or Mac computer. You can import narration and music, which is really great. New sound effects has been added to the deluxe. Scripted recordings, you can draw in Zoom. Screenshot tool. Okay. So I pretty much use the deluxe. I did get the deluxe because I do need to do some editing from time to time. The great thing about Screencast-O-Matic is, number one, you don't have to purchase anything to record videos under 15 minutes. But if you like to edit videos, this is really great. It's just $20 a year. So also, if there's a team of you guys, if you're working in teams, then you want to take a look at some of these options to see if it would be best for you. Okay. All right. So also Screencast-O-Matic, they have educational videos. So which I think is very great. So if you ever have any trouble with anything, you can come through here and see, learn some things, how to build a community, of course, student assignments, lecture capture, professional development. So you can learn some stuff there. Okay. There's also pricing for districts and universities. So I thought that's pretty helpful. I do a lot of product reviews or just educational information about different products that I find interesting. So it's just quite a bit of information here if you're doing just some personal stuff. And then here's their product line right here. Okay. You just need to take a screenshot. You're not all that computer savvy, or you're not that technical, and you don't really have to be. This product is really great. Again, there's the pricing, and then you have some resources here. Here's all their tutorials, and let me point that out. If you go to the tutorial sections, here is how the how-tos, training, and tutorials. Okay. And this is getting started. So this is really great. Screencast-O-Matic, they really thought a lot about this. So if you've been kind of on the fence about recording, you're part of your church, and you're doing some service work, or you're creating some projects, or you want to let someone know about a webinar you're doing or a training you're doing. This is a great way to record it without having to go out and buy expensive equipment or having any technical skills. You really don't need to have any of that. So basically, that's my little short version of Screencast-O-Matic. Also, if you have any questions or if I can help you out, I am here to help. Just leave me a comment down in the comment section under this video. Go ahead and, if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. That really helps me out. And go ahead and share this video as well. Because that might help someone else. So last but not least, this little screen right here is what you will see once you download. Screencast-O-Matic. Now, if you purchase the video editor section here, this is what it'll look like. This is where you can go in and edit your videos. So which is really great. I love it. There's a little another piece of this that you can do as far as adding music. You can also delete any information in a particular section. So I really enjoy that. And I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my Screencast-O-Matic review. I use this a lot, and I just wanted to share that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe for other free content or any products that you might be looking for. Just check back. I often upload videos 2 to 3 times a week. And with that, take care of yourself.